Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show tabs on Infinix Hot 4Day device. Well, knowing how to show tabs on your device can be helpful for troubleshooting, demonstrating features to others, or creating tutorials. It allows you to visually highlight where you are tapping on the screen, which can be useful in various situations. So let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, open Settings menu on your device. So now enter to My Phone, and then please scroll a little bit till you find Build Number option. Then tap on it 7 times to activate developer options. Okay, after that, turn to the previous page, so scroll down, and here you can select System option. Okay, and now please choose Developer Options and scroll down this page until you find Show Tabs option. Tap on it. Well, that's the tutorial on how to show tabs on Infinix Hot 4Day device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.